The 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, skid plates, and more. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.